Come on, yo, we edit. Yeah, we edit. It's got to change the rear brake light. It's got to change it. This is got to change that. It's giving issues. We have to change that. We got one from, what's this, AliExpress, as we always do. There it is. Quick job. This is what we got from Ali. Flimsy little thing, but yeah, there you go. That's what you'll see when we brake. Those are the LEDs back there. See them back there? Those are the LEDs. So we're gonna replace that. I'm not sure if we'll be able to try that with this or this, but we're gonna try. We're gonna try. Sweet stuff, man. It makes it easier. No, it's gonna be easy. So this is already moving like that. So we just need to push that off the clips. I'm not sure I will be able to record that, but yeah, I think we'll just move that away there, and then we're gonna push this forward. Yeah, I don't think that's much to do. Not even worth a video, but there you go. Yeah, this was the issue. This is what we found when we removed this. So yeah. Tena kama ngare ulight a brick. You go something. Yeah. Maybe this was the issue. Loose connection, hence the errors. But yeah, either way, we have a new one. Maybe no. Alright. Oh, that's fine. Get a solve a wiring and then it. Marbaying at the Lord. Okay. Let me solve this. So this is the original Audi one. You can see right there that it's giving me a fault. So this is the new one. Let's get it. Young rewiring. That should be fine. This is the old one from Audi. This is the new one. Same whatever, same clip, same. Not sure what that is. There's it somewhere there. So yeah. Find out. We're gonna find out. Blah, blah, blah. Hopefully they work. This ones don't look the same. This corner over there and this one over there looks a bit different. But this one, this side looks the same as that one. Yeah, but let's test the wiring first and see what happens. Let's see what happens. We've got to test the wiring. Let me see what happens. This one doesn't seem to have a slot where the clip goes in. See that? No slot there. This one has that. But we'll see. We'll see if it works. Let's see if it works. It should work though. Should work. Or we're gonna cut that off. Yo, so yeah, problems. Problems on problems on problems. See that? This one has small tooth. And the plug here is not the same as this one. This one has bigger tooth. So, because this is DIY style, I previously had bought this from Temu or AliExpress, I think, and it came with these adapters. So I'm hoping we can send them through there, or we'll either then join them here on this points through this, and then we connect this to that, just to make sure that it fits, because I haven't tested it, but it should. So yeah, like that. So we'll connect that there, like that. So now that's a bit of modification that we need to do, as you can see there. Yeah, so I think I'll do that because it ain't the same. The tooth ain't the same. I hope that's visible enough, but the tooth ain't the same. You can see those. Look at those ones, thin. Yeah, so just that. This comes from the. So I think I'll modify that and then I'll see if it works. It's plugged in now. We're just going to check if it works. Oh shit. Put the car on there. Yeah. Keep quiet. Let's see. Oh yes. No more warning light there. Let me show you. There it is. When you step on the brakes, there it is. Oh yes. DIY style. DIY style. There's rails here. These are the rails where this goes in. There's another one there. So we're just gonna line those with that. See if we can do that on camera. Yeah. Line those like that. So you see. So I'm just gonna lift that a bit so that it covers that. And then we should be good to go. Just gonna lift it up a little bit. So yeah, there we go. It's in now. See that it's closed. It's as far back as it can. So yeah, good job. Done, Baba. And this is the old one. All I needed to do that was these. Yeah, and that's something from those lights, but yeah, that's all. Job done. Get in. Art. Joel. Arta. Oh yes.